cannot make California roll. Well, we're gonna make one. First thing we need is, and the stuff that we need is crab meat, seaweed, sushi rice, carrot, cucumber, and avocado. Now it's time to cut our vegetables, and we're gonna peel the skin off, and then we're gonna cut it into strips. Now I cut my vegetable, and now it's time to add the rice on the seaweed. Now it's time to flip it and add our vegetable. To add our vegetables on there. Now it's time to roll it. It's time to eat and enjoy, but before that, don't forget to hit thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, IzzyKitchen20.